is Kat from KAJ Kids. Welcome to the video. You probably haven't seen me before, or if you have, you probably heard me behind camera. But today I'm in this video and I'm going to be teaching you a song on the piano. Today I'm going to be teaching you Heart and Soul. The Heart and Soul you might be thinking of is either or. But today I'm going to be teaching you how to play the whole song by yourself, not as a duet. So if you don't have any siblings or not anyone to do it with, this is a really great, fun song to do by yourself. So it's going to sound something like this. And it goes on and on and on. So let's get started at the piano. So first, I'm going to teach you the right hand part to Heart and Soul. So we're going to start in C position, C, E, and G. Okay? So we start with 3 C's. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So 2 quarter notes and 1 third note. 2. So, and 1, 2, 3. On C, B, and A. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. C, B, A, B, C, D. Okay, you can pause your video and try that by yourself. If not, keep going with me. 1, 1. So same thing as when we did with the C, with the 3 notes and 1 third note. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. On F. So 1, 2, 3 on G, 1, 2, 3 on C. 1, 2. Okay, try that. So 1, A, G, E, A, G, G, F, E, D. A, G, F, E, D. Now, can you try all that together? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, pause your video if you haven't got it, but if so, keep going with me. So we go 1, 2, 3 on G, on C again. 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and okay. So now we've got down the right hand part. So pause, and if you're not ready, and you can rewatch this video, or you can keep going with the left hand part, which is the way harder part. Okay? Okay, we are starting on the left hand part. Put your left hand on C, E, and G in the C major position, just like you did on your other hand. So we're going to start with our pinky, tap the C note 2 times. So 1, 2. Actually, what we're going to try doing is playing a C chord. If you haven't done that before, it's C, E, and G. So, can you do that? So tap your C note 2 times. So go between tapping C 2 times and doing your C major thing. Okay, now we're going to go down to A if you're ready. Otherwise, replay your C one. Same thing. Tap A 2 times and then do your chord, your A minor chord. So go down to F, F major. Same thing. On G. So eventually you'll get this. But that's that's after a lot of practice. So start slow, like. Or if you're still having trouble, just tap it twice. Okay, if you're not ready, you can redo that part of the video. Otherwise, continue on, and I'm going to show you them hands together. Ready? Okay. Hello there again. Okay, now we're going to try hands together. Sorry you can't see the piano. So, hopefully you have down and with your right and your left hands. Okay, so now we're going to start by playing your C thing on your left hand, and then the A, then the F, and then the G 2 times over. So do C, A, F, G 2 times with the pattern I showed you. Okay? So like this. And if you're going slower, that's totally okay. So let's practice together. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now, let's try it with the right hand. So, first, we'll start with our 2 things on the left hand. We'll do that again. Then you try your right hand. Okay. So when you do your 3 taps with your C, it should be going, you should have your C pattern and then the A. So 1, 2, and 3. So C, E, A. When you're doing C, B, and A, we're gonna have the F and then the G pattern. So C, 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 B, A. Okay, let's try that part together. 1, 2. Now, if that didn't sound so great, that's okay. You can pause the video, go back to the original part where I taught you your hand directions, or you can keep going with me. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now, let's keep going. So, actually, let's start from the very beginning. So, 1, 2, 1. Now you're going to start with your E, and you're going to have the C position on your left hand again. So on the G there, you're going to have G with the C pattern on the right hand, and then when you hit the C, you're going to head to the A pattern on your left hand. So then F, then G pattern on your left hand. Okay, are you starting to see the pattern? It's very similar. Once you get one pattern done with your right hand, you should be able to do them all pretty easily while you're doing your left hand. So if you're still having trouble, you can keep going back and practicing your left hand. It took me a long time to figure it out, but if not, you're pretty close. That's all that's left of the song. So C, pattern, A, pattern, A, pattern, to the G. Okay, so you start with C on the C pattern, then A. Do you notice something? When your hands are going down the piano on your right, your hand is also going down on your left. So when you're doing C, you're on the C pattern. When you're on the A, you're on the A pattern. And on the F pattern, then on G. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something from it. If you're still stuck, you can go back to the beginning of the video. If not, watch any part of the video until you master it. I know it's hard, but once you get that left hand down, playing the right hand with it is super easy peasy. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe and look out for more piano tutorials coming up. There's also baking videos with my sister Lacey and all kinds of fun things. So, and my little sister Nene has done a few too. So, bye! Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe. Bye!